Hello Take a Break family, it's Carly Bell here once again with a great story time for you guys to read with me this afternoon. So get ready, let's have our listening ears on, and we're going to read a book about shapes, and then Carla has a super fun activity to follow up the book with. Check it out. So this week, like I mentioned, we're going to be learning about all different kinds of shapes, and what better person to help us learn about shapes than Big Bird. Will you play a guessing game with me? You will? That's great. Let's get started. I'm thinking of something that is shaped like a circle. It's something that you can eat. A circle is a round shape, right, with no corners or edges. Then let's look over here. What food do you see out of these? A pizza? I see a pizza. Did you guess what Big Bird was thinking of? Can you see the shape in each object? Do you guys like pizza? Did you guess I was thinking of pizza? Great job. Now I'm thinking about something shaped like a triangle. It's not a food. It's a musical instrument. So a triangle, right here, has 3 sides and 3 corners. Can you guess what Big Bird is thinking of? Can you see the shape in each object? See the black lines? And we'll turn the page. Did you guess I was thinking about the triangle? This time I'm thinking of something shaped like a square. It has a bow on top and it's something that I can open. Out of these, what can he open? Can he open this? Can he open this? Can he open that? Or could he open that? Let's see. Did you guess I was thinking about the square-shaped present? This is the last one. I'm thinking about something shaped like a rectangle. I can open this and read it. And remember, a rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. 2 sides are short and 2 are long. Let's look at our pictures. Can you guess what Big Bird is thinking of? Do you see the shape in each object? See that one? Did you guess I was thinking of a book? You sure are good at this game. I know all my Take a Break kiddos are great at this one. Shapes are everywhere, right? We see shapes every single day of our lives. What shapes do you see in this one? How many shapes did you find? All right, that was a great book. I love that one. I'm going to put the whole book at the very end of this video so that you could watch it again and follow along a little bit closer to your screen. So that might help out a little bit. Carla and I both wish you a very merry, happy, healthy Thanksgiving. There is still so much to be thankful for, even in these crazy times and this horrible, horrible situation we're in. But we can do it. We're gonna fight through, and 2021, here we come. We have a special visitor today also, surprise. Tiki's here to wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving as well, and she's excited to eat some turkey, maybe a little special surprise for her. But she says hi, have a great Thanksgiving.